Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. So today's video is going to be a Coach unbagging or reveal and also a dress up your purse unbagging and reveal. And I am so excited about sharing both of these with you. Particularly the dress up your purse one. I mean, it is freaking amazing, but also I am in love with this bag as well. And once I get done with the Coach unbagging, I'm going to show you my whole collection of this particular style. I've showed it to you before, but I just want to refresh you as to which ones I currently have in my collection because this is my favorite Coach style, I think, right now. I mean, in terms of usability and function and feel, I am absolutely in love with this style at the moment. This is my favorite style. Now, I know I've said that the Cassie 19 is my favorite in the past, and I absolutely love the Cassie 19, but for me, this one has surpassed the Cassie 19, believe it or not. But first, let's unbox this Dress Up Your Purse Beauty. So the way I work with Dress Up Your Purse is if I see something amazing on Melody's website, I reach out to her and I ask her if we can do a collaboration. And so far, she's always said yes. She's so generous that way. Melody is a French designer and her website, Dress Up Your Purse, ships worldwide. And she has some excellent quality products, and lately the quality has risen through the roof because of the new Togo leather that she's using on some of her products. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and show you what I got, and also I want to play with it just a little bit. I've already played with it just a little bit. My stuff's inside because I'm using this bag today. I'm very excited to reveal to you one of her Boston bags. And as you can see, I put a Louis Vuitton charm on the front of it. So this is the Boston bag in the Togo leather with the Vachetta trim. So you've got two types of leather. This is the same type of leather that Hermes uses, the Togo. And it feels, this pebbling and this leather feels absolutely incredible. And the Vachetta on the handles, this black Vachetta, feels quite amazing too. I wanted to go ahead and show this to you, and I also want to show it to you compared to my Speedy 20 in monogram, because one of the features about this bag that I really like is that there's more space on the handles so that you can do a complete crook of your arm carry. Let's enter exhibit 2, which is the beautiful Speedy 20. Absolutely love this bag, but you can see that the Boston bag is just a tad bit longer than the Speedy 20. But other than that, the size is relatively comparable. It's just a tad bit wider, but it is definitely not as big as the Speedy 25. It's like the perfect marriage between the Speedy 20 and the Speedy 25, which I find to be too big most of the time. I have one. I used to have 3 of the Speedy 25, and I figured 1 is enough because they are quite large for me. But if you look here, you see how much more space you have on the handle drop. So if I want to put the Speedy 20 on the crook of my arm, I mean, I can, but it takes up all of the space. So if you're a crook of the arm girl, this is definitely a better option. I mean, heck, I can almost get it up on my shoulder, although I would never wear this bag on my shoulder. So this beauty comes with 2 straps. It comes with a guitar strap and a Vachetta strap. And much like with my Speedy 20, out of these 2 straps, I prefer this thinner leather strap to the fabric guitar strap. But I kind of have a twist on that because I do have a bandolier strap that I'm going to show you from my collection that I absolutely love with this bag. But the guitar strap is trimmed in Vachetta leather and has clips very similar to the bandolier strap I'm going to show you here in a minute. And that's just going to be me showing you how I'm going to style this bag today for wearing it if I do happen to go anywhere, which I probably won't because I have the dreaded C. Feeling much better though, if you couldn't tell. So hopefully in the next day or 2, I will test negative and be free. So anyway, if you look here, the Vachetta strap is very similar to what would come with a Speedy 20 if it didn't come with the guitar strap. Enter Exhibit B. This strap here came with the Kusama Speedy 20. I don't have that one, but I bought this one on the pre-loved market. And what I will tell you is that the Dress Up Your Purse strap is set on the same length as the Speedy 20 strap, but the Speedy 20 strap is fully extended and the Dress Up Your Purse strap still has more holes to go, so you can make it much longer. So it's a lot more versatile in the length of the strap than that of what would come with the Speedy 20 if you did get one of the special edition Speedy 20s. But that said, I'm not going to use this strap today either. I'll try it on real quick though and show you. So this is how I would wear this bag if I was wearing the Vachetta strap. I absolutely love it. It is so cute. And with this charm, I mean, it's amazing. And you can do other charms. It doesn't have to be a Louis Vuitton charm. There are all sorts of charms that are similar to this that you can find on Etsy and have deluxe, and there may just be one coming from Next Fashion I can show you, but I am absolutely loving the look with the Vachetta strap. It's a very comfortable. The buckle is hitting me in a nice place. If it was up about this much farther, it would hurt me, but it's not. It's in a great spot. So let's get into the inside of the bag. First, let me show you the handles. If you look here, the leather, I think it's actually rolled and tucked in. It feels amazing, and the quality of that's really nice. The glazing, where there is glazing, is done extremely well, and the zipper is buttery smooth. I do have all my items inside, easy peasy, and it does come with an insert. And this is the insert. It's made out of a really, really nice microfiber. I mean, I'm talking super nice to the touch. And the inside of the bag is lined in the same microfiber. Now, this is the best lining I've seen from Dress Up Your Purse from any of the items other than the ones I have that are leather lined. And I do have some items from Dress Up Your Purse that are leather lined, but this is definitely my favorite material. It feels so good. When I very first put the organizer in, I do need to push the corners of it so where they are up against the piping here on the edges so that the organizer doesn't poke through the bag. You just have to kind of maneuver it so it's tucked in the right spot. All right, so let's get out the strap I wanted to show you, and that would be my Louis Vuitton bandolier strap, which is also trimmed in a smooth leather. I don't know that it's Vachetta leather. I think it's just a calf leather, which is probably also Vachetta. Vachetta is probably also a calf leather, but I'm not aware of the difference between a Vachetta versus a calf. I mean, it should be the same thing, right? But if you look here, the smooth leather here coordinates nicely with this smooth leather. And like I mentioned before, the hardware on the Dress Up Your Purse guitar strap is very similar to the Louis Vuitton hardware in this case, just like the hardware on the leather straps is also very similar. So this is the way I'm going to wear this bag out today. Like I said, I'm probably not going out, but if I were going out, this is the way this bag is going to sit on my sofa table or my bed next to me today. All right, so is that not amazing? I love, love, love it like this. This is like an amazing, amazing combination. And it's raining today, so what a perfect combo to wear if I were to go outside. I may just wear this when I go walk my dog so I can say I've taken it outside, but I absolutely love, love, love this combo. And I'm not saying that the straps it comes with are not amazing, but I love to play with my straps and accessories, and this combo is a winner. So this Boston bag with the organizer and the two straps, the Vachetta strap as well as the guitar strap, it's $229, but you can get a discount on it with my code, which is HBHW15, and you can get 15% off that price. And for the quality of leather plus all the things you get, the two straps and the organizer in addition to the bag, I think that that is an amazing deal. Now to what you've all been waiting for, the Coach unbagging / reveal. So here we go. Yes, guys, I got another soft Pebble camera bag. So this may look familiar to you. I had this bag And I'm not just saying that I had one like this. I actually had this bag in my collection and I sold it to a dear friend of mine, and she hadn't worn it. And after I've been using my black one like crazy, I asked her if I could buy it back and she graciously said yes. She hadn't worn it. And so back to my collection is the beautiful taupe soft camera bag. And it comes with this really pretty crossbody strap. As you can see here, it is a perfect fall strap. And this bag is one of the first generation ones, which means it did not come with two straps. The first generation ones, I feel like the leather is just a little bit squishier. I have 3 of the first generation ones. I've got this and black and chalk. So here's the luscious black. You can see that it really has a sheen to it. It's so squishy and amazing. And then Chalk took her maiden voyage out the other day. The strap that came with Chalk actually goes with this bag really well. So if I want to go more neutral, I can definitely pair this combo together. And I really, really like that. I liked it before I sold it. I sold it because I've got the Saint Laurent bag in a taupe color. And I thought, I don't need 2 camera bags in this color. But I'm telling you, I was wrong, because I don't feel comfortable carrying this one everywhere that I feel comfortable carrying this one. And these bags both feel amazing. I mean, the Saint Laurent leather is unbelievable, trust me. But so is this. And I'm telling you, you can still find these on the pre-loved market. I have 2 of them I'm watching on Mercari in this gorgeous buttery yellow color, but I am holding off just because I do have another one of these in the color papaya. My papaya camera bag I also sold and then repurchased, but I didn't get the original one back that I had. I got a different one altogether from eBay. And I really like this bag, but this would be my least used one because of the color. But for autumn, I think it may just be perfect. This one is also the 2nd generation, which means that it came with a thin strap as well as the guitar strap. And there is just a slight difference in the sheen on the leather, in my opinion. I mean, I just think it's just not quite as soft as the new taupe one that I have, which is not new, but it's back. So I also at one point had a watermelon colored one, and I sold that one. And then I also had the aqua with the dark hardware. And I've decided I'm going to stay away from dark hardware with Coach because it does tend to chip. And the watermelon one, I just didn't reach for that color. I had to keep this color though because of this shirt. These 2 are like a match made in heaven. I have to have this color for this shirt. And I did a video a while back when I had the papaya colored tally bag and showed all of the things in my wardrobe it went with. And I was shocked at how many tops I have that match this shade. So I just need to think about it when I'm grabbing for different tops this fall. So I'm so glad to have this beauty back in my collection. And I would encourage you, before they're all gone, to go to the pre-loved market and see if you can snap up any of these, because they do pop up and they're not horribly priced. I think the retail was $250 if you got one with the skinny leather strap, and I think it was $275 maybe if you got one with the guitar strap, and I think it was $295 if you got one of the 2nd generation ones that came with both the guitar strap and the skinny leather strap. So if you find them for that or less, you're not getting ripped off, in my opinion. And they are just really, really good bags. I love this style. So that concludes my Dress Up Your Purse and Coach double unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same, is the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.